you are passionate about the stock markets, we are sure you know about the recent happening around the GameStop stock, which has taken the Wall Street by shock. Before creating a buzz across social media platforms in the past few weeks, GameStop had been struggling due to the stiff market competition since 2016. Well, then what led to the stocks of this failing outlet to such massive increase that created havoc across the market? Let's find that out in this video. First things first, what exactly happened? On January 28, 2021, a short squeeze in the trade market resulted in a 1,500% increase in the share prices of a struggling video game retailer over the course of just 2 weeks, reaching an all-time intraday high of $483 on the New York Stock Exchange. One of the major reasons behind these is a dedicated group of Redditors, followed by one of Elon Musk's tweet, which read GameStop. The sudden massive rise in the stock price of GameStop had created a strong buzz around the world. Let us discuss a little about the background of the company. GameStop is an American video game, consumer electronics, and gaming merchandise retailer based out in Texas, United States. However, due to a change in market trends, people have slowly started to shift to digital distribution model, followed by months of pandemic, thereby forcing many physical retailers like GameStop to pack up their bags and leave. Before making it big into the news for their rising stock prices, the firm had been struggling amid the cutthroat market competition from online games for the last 5 years. The company earlier made it to the news for its absurd employee policies. Moreover, the outlet was recently again under fire for keeping its shop open and flagging itself under essential business during the COVID-19 pandemic. Interestingly, despite a number of controversies in the near past, the stocks of this failing outlet suddenly started soaring towards the end of January 2021. But the question is, how did this happen? Well, to put it simply, all thanks to Reddit. Yes, the same social networking site Reddit, which is an online discussion platform. So what happened is, when the stock of GameStop was sinking, a number of individual traders on Reddit sent GameStop stock to astronomical heights, in an experiment to stick it to hedge funds, which had sold the stock short. At the same time, an alleged group of amateur day traders got involved, convincing other people on the Wall Street Bets thread to join forces and buy as much GameStop stock as possible. This triggered the entire firestorm in the trade market, making the share prices go up dramatically. GameStop, since then, has been shooting higher crazily, in fact, wild enough to raise concerns from professional investors, regulators, and even the White House in Washington. The stock surge practically makes no sense. GameStop has struggled because many customers switched to buying digital copies directly on their consoles. The coronavirus pandemic, which has kept most people out of the shopping malls, where many GameStops operate, exacerbated the company's decline, and reportedly its sales fell by 30% in the quarter ended October 31, 2020. The Wall Street Bet campaign shows that most investors driving up the shares are motivated by a populist desire to take down hedge funds with big short positions. And not to forget, the whole play has also been triggered by internet jokes, or memes. That was all about GameStop, the Wall Street shocker. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Explified.